Welcome to The Explainer. Today we are breaking down a brand new blueprint for making money online. And this one's a game changer because you don't have to become an influencer or even show your face. Nope, it's all about building private, income-producing assets using the power of AI. Okay, let's dive right in. I think a lot of us have felt that hamster wheel on the left, right? The old way, this constant grind of posting, chasing algorithms, and basically living your entire life out in public. Well, this new way, this faceless model, it completely flips the script. It's about building automated systems in the background, letting AI do all the heavy lifting, and, maybe best of all, keeping your total privacy. So, you might be wondering, why is this faceless model getting so much traction all of a sudden? Well, it's not just some random trend. It's actually a response to a few major shifts happening in the digital world that are creating this massive new opportunity. First off, AI has totally leveled the playing field. I mean, think about it. Just a couple of years ago, you had to be a video editor, a copywriter, a designer. Now, an AI can be your entire creative team. Second, in this world where everyone is oversharing, privacy has become a real strategic advantage. It lets you focus on the work, not on building a persona. And third, the demand for content is just exploding. It's insane. This brings us to the new rule, and it is a powerful one. You need systems, not followers. Okay, so let's get into the good stuff. We're gonna break down the 4 core business models in this system, and each one uses AI to create value and generate income without you ever having to step in front of a camera. So the first model is what's called faceless YouTube automation. Just imagine a YouTube channel in a popular niche, let's say finance or history, where AI writes the scripts, it generates the voiceover, and it even creates the videos. You're building an asset that earns money from views 24/7 long after you've hit upload. And this is where it gets really interesting. Look at how you can stack your income streams here. It's not just about the ad revenue. That's just the start. Then you layer on affiliate commissions for products you mention. As you grow, you start getting sponsorship deals. And the best part? You can use your own videos to drive traffic to your own digital products. See? Each one is another layer of income on the very same asset. And you know, getting started is actually way more straightforward than you think. First, you pick an evergreen niche. This is crucial. It means the topic has lasting appeal so your videos won't get old. Then, you can use something like ChatGPT to brainstorm a whole month's worth of content in like minutes. From there, you use other AI tools to produce the videos, and then the key is just consistency, uploading regularly to get that sweet algorithm momentum. All right, model number 2. This one is all about speed. It's the TikTok to digital product funnel. So here, you're leveraging the absolutely insane viral power of short-form video to drive immediate sales of a simple, low-cost digital product. So yeah, this model is designed for quick cash flow. You're selling a simple digital product, like a guide or a template, for under $100. But here's the secret weapon. Every single sale also adds a customer to your email list, which becomes a super valuable asset you can monetize for years to come. And you can just see how beautifully simple this system is. You start with a common problem that a specific audience has. Then, you use AI to create a digital product that solves it. After that, you use more AI to generate a bunch of short videos that talk around the problem to get people curious. Then, you just point everyone to the link in bio to buy. The entire thing can be completely automated. Okay, model 3. Now this is about building a true digital asset that you have 100% control over, an AI-powered newsletter. With this model, the AI does the writing, and you just focus on growing a list of subscribers that nobody, and I mean nobody, can ever take away from you. So the crucial point here is ownership. Think about it. Your social media followers, they can vanish overnight if a platform decides to change its algorithm. But your email list, that's yours, forever. And that makes it an incredibly valuable asset, attracting high-paying sponsors and letting you sell your own stuff directly to people who are actually engaged. Getting this off the ground is super direct. You pick a niche where people are already spending money. That's key. Don't try to invent a new market. Then you just set up a simple sign-up page, let AI write your first few emails to provide value right up front, and then start promoting. The great part is you can start monetizing with affiliate links right away, which means you can be profitable even with a small, really targeted list. And that brings us to our final model, number 4. And honestly, this one is kind of the holy grail of passive income. An automated store for digital products designed by AI. Think ebooks, planners, templates, stuff you create one time and then sell infinitely on marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad. You gotta love the math on this one. Because the products are digital, your profit margins are well over 90%.
Once you list a product, the sales and the delivery are completely automated. It is a true set it and scale it business.
And here's the best part. You don't even have to guess what's gonna sell. You can just go to a marketplace like Etsy and do some digital window shopping. See what's already popular? Then you just use AI to create your own unique version, design it in a super simple tool like Canva, and list it on the platform to tap into its huge built-in stream of buyers.
Okay, so we've got 4 incredible options on the table. The big question now is which one is right for you? Well, this next part provides a really simple framework to help you decide based on what you want to achieve right now.
This chart lays it out perfectly. It really just comes down to your main goal. If you're playing the long game, looking for that sweet passive income that grows over time, faceless YouTube is your go-to. If you need cash flow, like fast, the TikTok funnel is designed for exactly that. If your number one priority is building a real, tangible asset that you control, it's gotta be the newsletter. And if you just want something simple, something highly automated you can set up and let run, the digital product store is a no-brainer.
Now, it's super important to remember, this isn't some get-rich-overnight thing. It's a real business. It's a systematic process, and success comes from consistent execution. And the source lays out a clear 90-day roadmap to take you from zero to a scalable system.
And this roadmap just lays it all out. The first 30 days, that's your launch phase. Build your first asset, get it out there, get some initial traction. Then, days 31 to 60, you're building momentum. You're doubling down on what's working. And by that 3rd month, you're ready to scale. You systemize everything and multiply your revenue streams. The goal? By day 90 and beyond, you've built a machine that's generating income with less and less of your direct involvement. So after looking at all these models and roadmaps, what's the big idea here? What's the one single thing you should walk away with? Well, it represents a fundamental shift in how we should think about building an online business.
And this quote just says it all, doesn't it? The goal is not to become famous. It's not about building a personal brand or collecting followers for vanity. The goal is to build a system, an automated income-producing asset that works for you in the background. That, my friends, is real freedom. We've covered the why, the what, and the how. The models are all here, the map is laid out, so the only question that's really left is the one on your screen now. With this blueprint in hand, what digital asset will you build? Because in this new era, the biggest barrier isn't fame or followers. It's just having the courage to start.
Grab your free starter guide. First link below video or in the comments.